Solve the following equation. In order to solve rational equations, first convert any mixed fractions into improper fractions. Then multiply the entire equation by a common denominator in order to cancel out the denominators. Then solve the resulting polynomial equation. In this course, that polynomial equation will be either linear or quadratic. Then check for any extraneous solutions. So these are solutions obtained that simply do not work when substituted. For rational equations, these extraneous solutions would correspond to the non-permissible values of the variable. For this equation, the common denominator would be x times x plus 2. For the first term, the x plus 2 on the denominator would cancel out, resulting in 3x times x. For the second term, the x would cancel out, resulting in minus 6 times x plus 2. And for the third term on the right side of the equal sign, again the x plus 2 cancels, resulting in 5x plus 4 times x. We then expand all of these expressions. 3x times x gives 3x squared. Negative 6 times x plus 2 gives negative 6x minus 12. And on the right side, 5x plus 4 times x gives 5x squared plus 4x. Here we have a quadratic equation. To solve this, we would want to get a 0 on one side of the equation. I'm going to move all of the terms over to the right side, leaving a 0 on the left side. To do that, we'll subtract 3x squared from both sides, add 6x to both sides, and add 12 to both sides. This results in 0 equals 2x squared plus 10x plus 12. On the right side, I can factor out a 2. This gives 0 equals 2 times x squared plus 5x plus 6. Note that x squared plus 5x plus 6 can be factored, numbers that multiply to give 6 and add to give 5. Those numbers are 3 and 2. We can then further factor this, giving 0 equals 2 times x plus 3 times x plus 2. We can then make each of those factors equal to 0. X plus 3 being 0 gives negative 3 for x, and x plus 2 equals 0 gives x equals negative 2. Note here, however, that we cannot have x equals negative 2. This corresponds to a non-permissible value since x plus 2 is one of the denominators. We then have the answer being only x equals negative 3.